Hello. I'm Global Disaster. Today will be the bulletin board about Storm number 5 Otis in Acapulco, Mexico. Storm No. 5 in Mexico left enormous destruction. This Category 5 storm unleashed its fury with unrelenting force, leaving a trail of destruction in its wake. Hurricane Otis hit with fierce winds and torrential rain, causing widespread destruction and chaos across the region, with hurricane winds of up to 200 kilometers per hour. The intense rains have poured a lot of water into the city, with a volume of water up to 1,000 millimeters, accompanied by hurricanes that continuously swept and devastated the city. The city. After the storm, a tornado appeared in the countryside. This disaster was so great that everything was blown away in just 10 minutes.